So now we got Shelf King out. So Shelf King has an XLX2 in it, has a 2400 motor running on a OPS. Got the BSRs, and that's pretty much it for the old boy. Shelf King 6S only. Let's go. I gotta start early with this car. Tracking, start, read, stop, read, 1 mile, tracking, start, tracking. On your marks, get set, go. This thing up to speed. A little rough at the end. All right, see what they do. Uh-oh. Sound like an overload. Yep, overload. Tracking, stop, start. I'll take it, whatever it is. 137. Woohoo! Woohoo! New PB track. New PB. That's what I want right there. Even though that beep is on, I'm good with that. New PB.